I've never seen this place this busy. Time to hit breakout.
This way too. What do you want to try? Well, this looks promising. What? This looks promising. All right. Yeah. You got it. It's all on you. You gotta be going.
What's up?
You can't go too slow.
Yeah. That's a kind of cool skinny right there.
Yeah, I want to do it.
You want to try it? It doesn't run out in anything crazy. I'll try it.
The only part I'm scared of is getting on.
Right? Let's see. Oh my God, yeah, that's crazy right there.
Getting on part.
That's like a real skinny.
gotta get on top of that rock and turn around.
So like, let's see. I feel like it could go bad right here. Yeah, I don't know. Woo! Oh my God. That's sketchy as hell right there. Well, I think at the very least you ride off it. Oh, fuck that. Oh my God. Me too. Alright, we're gonna call that a day. That's like exactly what I was looking like. Yeah, it could go bad right there.
Are you serious about a jump? Yeah, look at it first. Look at it first, and then you might want to go up and go down.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
Awesome, but I'm not doing it.
Yeah, good call on that one. That's a little insane too. Yeah. Woo, still on the bike. Ah, here we go.
This next part of the video is basically just us sizing up the Red Bull shed drop. This drop is huge. There really is no other way to describe it. When you're standing at the top of the platform, looking out over the gap you have to clear, and looking at the landing, it really is a humbling experience. As we were sizing up the jump, there was somebody who rode by and said he ended up casing it last season. He said he bounced off the knuckle, rolled down the landing, and he ended up not being able to open any doors for about 3 months. Said it really put him out of commission. I mean, I would love to eventually do this drop, but I don't know. The consequences might be too big for even me to bother doing this.
Let's go down a couple more times before we do that.
I mean, really, this is the view from the top of it. Would you hit it?
It's crazy, Eric. Holy shit.
Yeah, Keith was definitely right when he said this drop is crazy. Now let's get back to riding.
Gnarly.
Bob Gnarly.
Is that Bob Gnarly?
That's a good one.
It sounds legit.
Oh, you fucking sniffed out the tech line.
Huh?
Look. There's not
Okay,
a good
sound
reason
like-
for that.
There's not a good reason for that.
All right, fuck it. I'm doing it.
You going here?
Yeah. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. I'm hitting it. Hey, Keith wrote down this no sweat, I bet.
Got it.
Woo! Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Well, goddamn.
I've met my match. Yeah. 6. Where's the other guy? They were like, yeah, fuck that.
Oh shit.
I'm kind of glad I slid out up there because I was coming down to this. And then I slid
This is
out.
possible, but you'd end up off this drop right here.
Yeah, I think, you know, you got professional going fucking 4 miles an hour. The line is staying to the right there. You got to stay to the
Yeah.
left, right?
Exactly, I think.
And then you do something.
Yeah.
to-
Something like, you know, hopefully pray, maybe. Oh. No, god damn it. God damn Bob Gnarly.
I know, repeat.
Sideshow Bob or Evil Bob. Oh god.
These were easily some of the most challenging tech trails I've ever ridden. Once Bob Gnarly ran out, we decided to take Evil Bob the rest of the way down. Keith did pretty well, but the rest of us, well, we ended up walking most of it, so I'll spare you the footage.